Hey guys, okay, I just want to show you this super cheap and simple parts washer that I had to make here today just to clean some transmission parts. This is the differential out of a JF011E transmission. So it's simple, it's just a pond pump. I got this filled with Varsol. This is a tub I got at Princess Auto, which is like Harbor Freight in Canada. And then I just had some fuel line in the shop here. And then I can just run it over my parts, bearings, things like that, and just make sure all the debris is out of them. Varsol is a good cleaner for doing transmission parts. And then once it's out of here, I blow it off with air and then coat them with clean CVT fluid and store them in a bag till they're ready for reassembly. So you can have this going, you can move it around, clean all your parts. This particular pump, this is the pump I'm using. 264 gallon per hour fountain pump. It's got a little, it actually sticks to the bottom, it's got suction cups, but it's got a little flow control on the front. It basically just slows down the amount of liquid that can get into the pump area, so you can slow it down. That's the full speed there. And then probably the best thing is I just have an inline fuel filter here, super cheap. These things are like $3. You can get like a pack of 10 of them or something on Amazon for 20 if you want, and it's just constantly filtering out the debris. If you're doing heavy degreasing or like really dirty parts, I'd probably put a pre-filter on the front of that. And I was just thinking I would use this. I've got this filter material that I got on Amazon for something, I think it was for, it's like an air filter, but I was just going to put that over top of the inlet so as like a pre-filter, and then let the fuel filter be the really fine filter so that you always get really clean fluid coming out of that and get your parts clean. And the only other addition I might make to this is I might just cut like a little plastic tub that allows me to hold my parts up, drill some holes in it, just so I can wash them off and then they're not actually sitting in the liquid. So I'll probably do that.